Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Benny, and today we have a before and after makeup transformation featuring a glitter cut crease. My muse for today is Trisha, and I'm going to be transforming her face with this metallic cut crease look with glitter as liner and in the tear duct area. Please keep on watching to see how I create this look, and remember to subscribe. So I start by brushing her brow in place, then I prep it by applying a little foundation in that area and setting it with powder. Today I'm using the Blot Beauty brow gel in the shade 03 to define the shape of her brow. I outline the brows and then I'll fill in the tail. Afterwards, I'll draw small strokes towards the front of her brows. I use the Kuddy Cosmetics brow gel to set her brow in place so it's mega long lasting. I follow this with the MAC Cosmetics brow set in Girl Boy. This is a natural tone gel which is going to bring dimension back to her brows. Taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in pure beige, I apply this across her lid first so it starts to set. And then I'll spread it with an angled brush and use it to clean up her brow. After that, I'm using a flat synthetic brush here to gently pat the concealer onto her eyelid, making sure to blend the borders properly into her skin. This is going to serve as a base or primer for eyeshadow. I'll set this concealer with powder so it doesn't crease up as well. The featured product for today is this Zikel Cosmetics 12 color palette. I'm going to use it for a lot of things during the course of this video, but right now I'm using it as an eyeshadow. So I'm using this white eyeshadow right in her brow bone. Then I'll take this orange and place it as a transition color. Then I'm going in with a deep wine red in the crease, and then briefly with a brown after that to deepen the crease. Next, I'm using gel liner as a base for black eyeshadow right in the outer corners of her eye. Then I'm cutting her crease using a cream product from Black Opal. I'm using the white eyeshadow, or rather white powder that we're using as eyeshadow today. I'm using that first in the inner corner area, followed by a bronzy gold shade right in the middle, and then a shimmering black to blend into the black that we applied earlier at her outer corner. Now I'm lining her eyes with Zaron gel liner. and I'm going to be fixing falsies from Wynkk lashes. For that extra glam, I'm placing a thin line of glitter over the black liner, and I'm going to use that under her eye, under her lower lash as well. So moving on to her face, I'll slightly color correct the mark on her forehead. I'm applying the MAC strobe cream under her eyes and the high points of her face. Now for a little foundation work, I'm using a whole bunch to just draw an interesting pattern on her face, placing the products right where I want them. Using Zaron liquid foundation and LA Girl Pro concealer in the highlight areas. And I'm also using the black opal cream foundation as contour. I'll spray a little bit of the MAC Fix Plus, and then I'll proceed to blend it all in with a beauty blender. Remember to go along the perimeters of the face when blending as well. Afterwards, I thought she looked a little bit too cool toned, so I warmed up her complexion with a very tiny amount of a yellow toned foundation. I'm going for a bright under eye, so I'll go back in with a little more LA Girl. And blend it in with my cute little tiny beauty blender from Nuban Beauty. I'll set this afterwards with some Ben Nye setting powder. I'm setting the contoured areas with powder from that Zikel palette we used earlier. Then I'm setting her entire face with some powder and brushing off excesses. To set her makeup, I'm using the Nia setting spray. Like a lot of what I've used today, this is also a Nigerian brand. For highlighter, I'm using my favorite Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. I'm going to put a little bit on her shoulders and collarbone as well for even more glam. Then some eyeliner in her waterline. For lips, I first lined with a brown pencil, blending it in slightly towards the middle. Then I followed up with this Tyra Beauty matte gloss. It's a nude pinky, like a dull pink nude shade. I'll make sure to blend it in properly. And voila, we're done. We have a beautiful glam look you can wear on a night out or a date or even as bridal makeup. I loved creating this look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it as well. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and comment below what type of look you'd like to see next. And I'll see you next time. Bye.